Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into a fabulous makeup tutorial that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or just want to feel a little more put together, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's prep that beautiful skin of yours. A good skincare routine is essential for a flawless makeup application. Start with a gentle cleanser to wash away any impurities, followed by a hydrating moisturizer. Don't forget your sunscreen. It's your best friend for protecting your skin while giving you that radiant glow. Now, let's move on to skin tint or foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly using a damp beauty sponge or your fingers. Remember, less is more. We want to enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. Next up is concealer. Apply it to any areas that need a little extra love, like under the eyes or on blemishes. Blend it out seamlessly for a fresh, awake look. Now, let's add some dimension with contour. Lightly apply contour to the hollows of your cheeks, your jawline, and along your forehead. Blend, blend, blend until it looks natural. Now that we've got the base down, let's add a touch of liquid blush. This will give you that youthful flush. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out for a soft, dewy finish. For a little extra brightness, grab a bright concealer and apply it to the high points of your face. Think cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. Blend it out gently to keep that glow. Now go in with the powder to avoid any flashbacks from concealer. Carefully place the powder under your eye with a smaller brush before going in with a bigger brush. Apply it with a fluffy brush and blend it in for a smooth finish. Now, let's set it all. Carefully place the powder where you're most likely to sweat the most, blending it out for a natural look. Moving on to powder blush, choose what shade most suits your skin. Remember, natural is key. Now, let's enhance those cheeks to perfection. Keep blending till cheeks look natural. Now the brows. Just get a pencil and shade them all out. Key is to make them more visible. Now the lips. Get a lip liner and outline your lips. Get a lipstick or palette, choose nice shades, and blend them into the lip liner. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more beauty tips and tricks. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.